Over the past few months, trains have been stopping a lot longer in Old Metairie, causing safety and traffic concerns. Erica Ferrando spoke with residents who are frustrated and begging for change.
And you just see it completely stop.
For hours at a time.
Trains running through Old Metairie have become more of a headache.
All times of the day.
Since April, trains have been stopping for an hour or so, several times a day at 3 major intersections: North Labarre Road, Atherton Drive, and Hollywood Drive.
You drive around and they're all blocked now. It's just horrendous.
I've called this number before.
It's causing traffic and safety concerns.
It makes me nervous if there's a fire that they can't get to the house.
I've seen ambulances turn around. I've seen fire trucks turn around. I've seen children take their bikes under the train cars.
I mean, there's a park right on the other side of this.
Trains have been running through Old Metairie for years, but they only started stopping at these intersections a few months ago when 2 of the rail operators changed where they conduct their crew changes.
Our understanding is it's basically a contract dispute.
Jefferson Parish Councilman Scott Walker says for years there was a gentleman's agreement to stop at the City Park overpass instead of enforcing the written agreement to stop in Shrewsbury.
Well, then all of a sudden, somebody decided the agreement should be enforced as written, which means they now block 3 crossings.
Walker has been in touch with Union Pacific and Norfolk Southern.
They say they're working towards a resolution, but to me, 3.5 months of this with no end in sight is unacceptable.
In a statement, Congressman Steve Scalise acknowledges the safety issue for children and first responders who can't cross the tracks. He's urged top executives at the rail line companies to find a solution.
We are so frustrated. We all call.
According to Walker, the companies recently agreed they wouldn't stop during peak traffic hours.
But there still have been stoppages. It hasn't always worked out that way, and this neighborhood is at its wit's end.
And they're begging for a better solution. In Old Metairie, Erica Ferrando, Eyewitness News.
Now, Norfolk Southern sent us a statement saying they were not consulted by Union Pacific about the change, and they disagree with the decision, but they say they were obligated to comply with it. They said that they are actively trying to reach an acceptable solution.